In this video, we'll walk through how to install the Agnic community node in n8n. If you're running n8n on your own system or server, installing the Agnic node allows you to use the Agnic Universal Wallet to build real autonomous agents. Let's get started. First, open your n8n instance and head to Settings. From there, click on Community Nodes. Next, click the Install button. In the search field, type Agnic. When you see the Agnic node appear, copy its full package name, n8n nodes Agnic. Paste the package name into the install field and confirm. That's it. Once the installation is complete, the latest Agnic nodes will be available directly inside your n8n workflows, ready to use. You're now set up to start building autonomous agents with Agnic and n8n.